Hello guys, this is Jessica Lauron, and for today's vlog, I'll show you how to crimp a UTP cable. First step is use a wire stripper to remove about the inch of the outer insulation from the cable, exposing the 8 individual wires. Then, separate the wires and arrange them in the correct order. White orange, orange, white green, blue, green, white brown, and brown. Next is ensure the RG45 connector has the connecting plates facing up and the clip facing down. Carefully insert the aligned wires into the RG45 connector, ensuring they are fully seated. And then do the same to the other. After you're done, crimp the connector. And lastly, test your connection. That's all, and thank you for watching.